What's going on, Dilworth Knights? This is Mr. Stafford doing our December 14th and 15th lessons. Monday is going to be 4, 5, 6, and then Tuesday is 1, 2, 3. As always, here is the schedule. We're going to be working over here still. Again, if you have questions, you can email, you can text, you can call, or you can hit me up on Teams. Some updates. All work should have been turned in last Friday. I'm no longer accepting your grades or your work for grades. So I will be sure to make sure all of your grades are final by Wednesday of this week. That's going to be December 16th. Just because your grades are done does not mean that you should not be checking in. You are still doing things that will give you a grade. Although small, they can still help. So your instructions, I'm sorry, this should say 14th and 15th. Again, Monday is 4, 5, 6, Friday 1, 2, 3. Today, we're going to learn how to email properly. From now until the day you are done with school and probably even further, you're going to be asked to email people. And it's been pretty embarrassing how you guys email your teachers during this distance learning. So it's time that somebody teaches you how to do it. Again, it's just common courtesy to do it the right way. And so from now on, you can email your teachers confidently and knowing that you're doing it in the appropriate manner. I'm not going to walk you through how to open your email. That's all through Office 365. You can find that on the district's website. Most of you know how to access your email because you have Mr. Ismari who sends you emails daily. So when you get to the email, opening your email, you're going to have this new message button right up here at the top left corner. You're going to click that, and it's going to pop up a screen that will look something similar to this, okay? You're going to have your to, which is just who is the email going to. CC is just it's going to be somebody else that you want to attach, but maybe isn't directly related to the email. So you probably won't use that too often. Your subject, okay, think of this like a class, okay? I don't teach, I teach history or social studies. So the subject is history and social studies. My lessons are what go in the body of the essay. So make sure your subjects shouldn't be longer than 4 or 5 words, if that. So make sure that you're keeping those sweet and they're keeping them short and to the point so that whoever's reading your email knows what you're doing, okay? We're not trying to confuse people. We're not trying to write an essay in the subject. Your email, your writing needs to be here. The subject goes where it says subject. So we're emailing appropriately. There again, there's 3 main parts to your email. You have the recipient or who it's going to. In this case, it's going to be going to me. Again, your subject, that is just telling the reader exactly what you're talking about. And then the body is your explanation of what's going on, okay? So you're going to be writing a new message. You're always obviously going to write to who you're emailing. So that's this email. It's lstafford@washoeschools.net. That is going to be directly to me, okay? And you're going to be emailing me appropriately and correctly to get credit for today's attendance and for today's grade. So first, you're going to send me an email with the subject line being your full name, first and last. So to show you what that looks like, okay, I'm going to go to Mr. Stafford. So you can email yourself. If you ever have documents that you need to send to yourself, you can always do it this way. So your first full name, your full last name. So Levi Stafford, that's what it's going to. I'm going to put period 1, but your period number needs to go in here as well. So you can just do 1P. You could do just first. You could do whatever it is, as long as I know you're from that period. And then your body is going to tell me what today's keyword is. So in the body of your email, please write the keyword from the next slide. This is today's keyword. The keyword is planner. Okay, you guys are struggling with this for some reason. Write the word planner in the body paragraph, in the body of the email. So I'm going to write planner, and then I'm going to click send down here. I'm not going to do it for me, but you guys will click send. It'll go straight to me. I will see that it's going to me. I'll see your name here. It'll say who you are. Make sure you give me the first period, the second period, the third period, the fourth period, sixth period, whatever you are. And then your keyword of the day is planner. This is how you're going to get marked for attendance. This is how you're going to get marked for your 2 points for checking in for your grade. If there's any questions, you could email me, you can text me, you can call me, or you can hit me up on Teams. Any of those is fine with me. If you have questions about your grade, they're final. You can't turn anything else in. Gave you guys plenty of warning on that. So hopefully you're getting it turned in, or you already did. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help. So if you have any questions, let me know. And I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you email me, keyword planner, and send that in before 2 o'clock today. All right, thanks, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.